General Manager of Fisherman Fireworks Incorporation. Some people may have heard about Fisherman before, but some may not. So today I'm going to give you a brief introduction. Fisherman Fireworks Incorporation is originally developed from firework factories in Beihai. With the shutdown of majority firework factories in Beihai, Guangxi, we moved. So currently, we are located in Luoyang, the most developed production center of fireworks. In 2021, Fisherman will be celebrating its 20th anniversary. Firework people may all know about Pacifier, a producer of fireworks documentary movies. So Pacifier come here and interview Fisherman twice. And the second time they videotape the same showroom that I will walk you through today. So hopefully in the new movie that comes out next year, you can see the same room in the movie. So please, Jessie, don't cut it off in your movie, okay? Okay, then follow me. I'll walk you through our showroom. This part is our 500-gram cake. You can see this is our 3-inch knife shot, 4-inch knife shot, and also and this is our 2-inch knife shot. Very cute, but still very powerful and strong effect. Very good one. Oh, I saw our Ella here. Ella, how are you doing?
I'm taking the product pictures for our company.
Great. See, Ella is the youngest one in our team, and she's responsible for our design and photography. Okay, here, this is the part of our shells, all kinds of shells, a single, double, triple cord, and 5 braids, and shells assortment. And this is our 60-gram canister shells. We don't include everything here, but just a few to show you. And this is the part of our 200-gram cakes, different kinds, different size, and different numbers of shots. This is the part that we display our 500-gram cakes basically from 200 above and to the big 500-gram cakes. Well, as you can see, we have a big showroom, so I bring you to the next part. Well, it looks like everybody is quite busy here. So Louis is in the team of our quality control department, and he's also responsible for new item development. So, hi, Louis.
Hi.
你在做什么现在？
我在为客户做一款混合包。
Okay, he said he is making a new assortment for our customers per his requirement. Well, you know, Fisherman is originally from Beihai, so Beihai Fisherman is pretty famous for our novelties. Unfortunately, this item is quite, take too much labor work and too expensive. So most of them are already out of production. And here it comes to our assortment part. We have a few assortment here, and that we made for our own brand and also made for our customers. This is the biggest one that we made so far, so it's pretty like as tall as I am. It's a heavy one. Okay, we have some Roman candle here. This is the 10-shot, 5-shot Roman candle, a 1/4 inch. And also we have the multiple shot Roman candle like this. This is the smallest one, 5-shot magical. Here comes a little samples of rockets. And also morning glory sparklers. Oh, look at the fountain. Look at the lantern. It's cute. Okay, a big part of our confetti cannon. All this part is our party items, and including the musical candle, birthday cake sparklers, all kinds, and also a smaller popper like this. Okay, next I'll show you our color smokes. We have a little single shot parachutes and color smokes. This is parachute. This is the smokes that we just made this year, and this is the single shot that with a big report. We do have a big showroom, right? So here comes to our helicopters part. You can see we have the dragonfly, which is the new item in our 2017. And we also have very old generic items like the sunflowers, ladybugs, magic crystal. These are all very old items and quite popular for years. And next, let's come to our fountain items. This part are for 200-gram fountains. Well, in the next video, maybe we have a chance to go to each different, talk about different items in details. So today I just show you around. And this part of is our 500-gram fountains. Fairy dust, unicorn fort. Are all new for this year, and golden shower and bee dazzle are all new this year. So they are all quite good sell items. Okay, last part goes to our firecrackers. Firecrackers for US market, they are quite simple. So no big crackers, no too small crackers, so usually just different counts in rows. So this is our colored diamond firecrackers that we made in from 2018, which have the color rich color fuse. This firecrackers is not for, it's only made for domestic market. The color paper is quite different. It's rose color, so it's very special for wedding. Showroom. The next, follow me and we'll go to visit our office. Here comes to our sales department, and some of customers who are buying or who are going to buy from Fisherman, they may talk with our girls for a long time but have never met them. So Today I'll give them a chance to meet our sales girls. Hi, Chris.
Hello, everyone.
And this is Doris.
Hi guys.
And this is Elena.
Hi, guys.
Okay, come on. I'll show you more. And this is Sean. He's our technical director.
Hello.
All right, Ella. There you are. You are back.
How are you?
Ella is working on his artwork. And this is Sandy.
Hi, everyone.
Sandy is responsible for our logistic shipping of everything. Okay, here comes to our quality control department. We are so lucky that they are all here today because most of the time they are in the factories doing all kinds of testing. So, all right, let me introduce them. Crystal. Crystal, she is our quality control supervisor. She has been working in fireworks industry for 10 years. Hi, guys. And here again, Louis. He's back to his seat.
Oh, hi.
Hi. Louis is also a quality control expert. So both of them is responsible for our items quality. Okay, then Fisherman is working with over 100 top quality factories, and we have our own quality control team. So please choose Fisherman as your reliable and good quality suppliers. Please subscribe to our channel and watch more videos from Fisherman. We will have live broadcasting on Facebook and YouTube on Friday night, June 12th at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. So please come join us.